Okay, looking at a linear modeling example. So remember, linear modeling is just how we can use a straight line to model a real life application. So here I've got a car rental company charges $70 plus an additional 35 cents per kilometer. So $70 for a flat rate, and then you get this extra 35 cents per kilometer. So we're going to write a rule to determine the charge for C for hiring a car and traveling X kilometers. And then we're going to sketch it for up to 200 kilometers. So my rule here will involve that $70 and then that additional 35 cents per kilometer. So my rule, so C is going to equal, so that's $70, we're always paying that $70. So I'm starting with that, 70, plus 35 cents per kilometer. So if I'm driving X kilometers, so I'm going to 0.35 X. So that's going to be my rule. So that's $70 we're paying straight away, and then 35 cents for every kilometer. When I'm sketching my graph, so that X will be my horizontal, and that is in kilometers, squeeze that in. And then the C, my cost in dollars. Don't forget the units, very important. Now, once again, I want to find 2 points. So whenever I'm sketching, I want 2 points to get out of this. So my first point, nice and easy, is when X equals 0. So if X equals 0, so if I haven't driven anywhere, then straight away, it's going to cost me $70. Again, if that's 0, that goes away, I'm just left with 70. Now my next value, because I'm going up to 200, I'll use that as my next value. So if X equals 200, so C is going to be 70 plus 0.35 times 200. So you work this out in the calculator, and we get 140. So I've got these 2 points that we're going to draw in. So 0, 70, and 200, 140, and then we'll connect them up. So just as we go along, so I've got 0, we'll do my x-axis first. What have we got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get 40, 80. Yep, so 40, 80, 120, 160, 200. And then going up and down, I might go the same. So 40, 80, 120, 160, 200. You don't have to go the same. I think it just works out nicely with our numbers. So my first one, at 0 and 70. So for 0 kilometers, it costs us $70. So that's about there. And then for 200 kilometers, it costs us 140. So that's between the 120 and the 160. So that's there. So those 2 points. So then, once again, just connecting them up. So there is that rule, or sorry, that graph for C.